everyone, welcome back to Artist Priyanka Ji. In today's video, we will learn how to make a very easy house drawing with using simple shapes like square, circle, triangle, cloud, etc. Let's just do it. I'm using here A4 sheet, and for the circle, I'm using a cap of a bottle, and let's draw a circle with this. And you all can see that I have used A4 size sheet, and with that I have marked one line for making shapes. You can do the same way. How we make a square should be equal from all the four sides. So here I am taking, as you can see, 3 centimeters lines, and we are drawing it. Let's just draw the square, and here I am drawing all the shapes which I am going to use in this drawing. So if you have to make a drawing using different shapes, you can use this shape, or in fact if you want to make a house with easy shapes, you can use this shape again. So today we will learn a shape activity for class 1. So let's just make another shape, the third one, which is a triangle. In triangle also we take two sides equal, left and right, and the bottom one will be a slipping line. And we have done 3 shapes now, and let's do the another shape. Here I am using a rectangle, but I am making it standing because I don't have much space left. So let's just make it. I am taking here almost 4 centimeter, and here almost 2 centimeter, all the sides. So here is rectangle is ready. Rectangles also opposite sides will be equal. And here I am using another shape, which is a cloud. Here I have used 4 geometrical shapes: circle, square, triangle, and your rectangle. And last we are taking an origami shape, which is a cloud. You can all write this with me so that you will remember which shapes we are going to use. And the last is cloud, as any drawing will be incomplete without clouds in the sky. So let's give a heading of shapes here, top of the shapes. And as I have told you, these are the geometrical shapes which are symmetrical. How we call it symmetrical? Or mirror image, which is left hand side is equal to the right hand side. If you divide this all 4 shapes, it will be equal, but the cloud is not. So that is not a geometrical, or you can say it's not a symmetrical shape, it's a organic shape. So we have learned till here. Now we will use all these 5 shapes in making our simple house drawing. Here I am making a line 2 finger above the bottom, and you can see here it's a 4th shape we are using, rectangle. Our ground will be rectangle if you see it from the slipping way. And here we are using a square shape, which is our 2nd shape. And how much centimeter I am taking here? I am taking 1 to 7 centimeter from all the 3 sides, and this shape is our square. And now I am taking triangle. For triangle I have taken the center. After taking center out of the square, let's make the 2 diagonal lines from each sides. We have done the diagonal lines, straight lines, and everything in the previous video. I have attached that video in my description. You can find that also, and we can do the activity based on lines. And here I am using a circle shape with the help of the cap of bottle. So you can take any circular shape or a coin also for making it. And here also I am using this circle shape. You can draw it freehand, or you can take a small thing help if you want to. Here I am making a door. You can just take both the sides equal with your fingers or a scale, and let's make this rectangle door in the center of our house. And let's just meet the lines. After this, you all can see these shapes we have used. I have written the number of shapes also, and the last shape I am using here as a cloud. And here also I am using one more cloud for completing our drawing. As I am writing, it's a 5th shape we are using here. And now we are making more triangle. You can see small triangles. Both the sides of the house we will make them. And after making them, we will make one rectangle on which it's standing as a branch. So we are making here 2 trees. Similarly on this side also you will make it. And after making both the trees, we will come to the outlining. I'm using here alcohol marker as it is smudge free and it is waterproof also. And you can use any black sketch pen, but I would suggest you to not use any permanent marker. Permanent markers are very bold and they get traced on the back side also. After outlining, we will erase everything and let's use our colors. Always go with the crayons if you are a beginner or in the first or second or third class. I would suggest you to use crayons always over your sketch pens and pencil colors, because your coloring will be improved with the crayons only. They are erasable and they will enhance your direction, speed and everything with the crayons. So let's just outline everything first, and then after outlining we will speedily fill them. I always outline thickly outline with the same color I have to put inside it. If you do not want to change it, the same color we will use to outline everything, and then with the single direction strokes you can fill it. Always try to pick small areas so that you will not leave any white sheet behind and visible. So let's just fill your house with the yellow bright color. It's a lemon yellow I'm using here. Don't use deep yellow, it's a lemon yellow. After yellow, let's do the blue color. It's a medium blue or a primary blue. I'm not taking even a dark or a sky blue here. So let's just take this medium blue and outline this cloud, both the clouds from inside, and outline it thickly. You can outline both of them, and after this we will use sky blue inside it and fill it nicely. Similarly we will do in the another cloud also, and this will give you an effect of shading light and dark. Similarly we will do the another, and in the roof, the triangle of the house, let's do the red color, bright red color, not maroon, not orange. We will use a bright red color, outline it nicely and then fill it in the one direction only. When you color it in only one direction, it doesn't shows your strokes, highlights, lines and everything. You just blend it nicely and make sure there should be no white sheet visible. And how nicely we have done the red color. And this is the benefit of this colors, that you can erase if they goes out. And let's pick the dark green color for the trees. So we will color them nicely. If you feel that your drawing is very small and your color is very thick, you can sharp them, but I would suggest not to sharp every time, because you can just color them in another direction and make the color sharper by moving it, by using it. Now I'm using the brown color in the branch of the trees and in the door. Similarly we will do this outline and then filling part. Look at this, how nicely we are doing it in one direction diagonally. If you're right handed, you can pick the same direction. If you're left handed, pick the opposite one. And in this window, let's do the pink color. Nicely fill it. And only one thing is left, and here I am using the leaf green or a light green color to fill it. First I have done that outlining and fill it. And our drawing is ready here, you all can see. And this is an activity using shapes. We have drawn this beautiful house scenery. And everyone, if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and share this video. And thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye.